And now the first test, I go down to 29 volt, so that this thing won't blow up immediately. So it can go backwards here, and it has here to make it flat, and it's still running quite nicely. And here potentiometer, and so now it may turn. Looking good so far. Going a bit outside. And okay, it's starting to vibrate, so maybe that's going to. So, and then I have to adjust one of these here to make it a bit better fit. But yeah, good. Looking good so far. Second test. I mean, this vibration is because it's already here mounted to the side, so I need to mount it here to make it. You see, it's really very shaky. But yeah, it did go to the back a bit, and then I think not really. It did here the back side, or here. Okay, I have to test some wood. Here, it's a cable here. I only have to put here, then it quickly disconnects. I've made here these, you see, if they go that far, they all are already off the rim, so they do not get pulled any longer by the motor. And so this should be okay. Here, a small table to pull in the wood, and now I've gone back to 30 volt and so full speed. Okay, that I guess was here the max current. I have the potentiometer here. yes, I mean that's 14 to 15 centimeters, and this is only 29 volts, so 7S. And you see, I want to go up to 14S, so twice as much. Only thing now, you see, here the diameter is enough to cut real logs, trees, so 40 to 45 centimeters. Just need to find a mechanism that I can pull for 5 meters flat, and then I could. You see, yeah, maybe you see if it's getting wet, then the wood starts to move, and then here the adjustment no longer works, so aluminium would be better. But yeah, it's great. Bye bye.